Hey guys, welcome back, I'm Jay. In this episode, we're going to look at infrastructure protection with AWS Shield and AWS WAF. Denial of service or DDoS attack is a cyber attack, in which the perpetrator targets a machine or network resource, to make it unavailable to its intended users, by temporarily or indefinitely disrupting services of a host connected to the internet. Denial of service is typically accomplished by flooding the targeted machines, consuming their bandwidths or draining their resources, in order to overwhelm the target and block requests from intended users. Distributed denial of service or DDoS attack is a large-scale DOS attack. Common attacks are UDP flood, SYN flood, and DNS amplification. In a DDoS attack, the perpetrator uses multiple unique IP addresses or machines, often from thousands of hosts infected with malware or from a botnet. A botnet is a network of infected zombie computers waiting to receive commands. During the DDoS attack, the incoming traffic flooding the victim originates from many different sources. This effectively makes it impossible to stop the attack, simply by blocking a single source. You can use DDoS protection services to effectively detect and prevent common DDoS attacks. AWS Shield is a managed DDoS protection service that safeguards applications running on AWS. It provides always-on detection and automatic inline mitigations that minimize application downtime and latency. All AWS customers benefit from the automatic protections of AWS Shield Standard, at no additional charge. Shield Standard defends against most common Layer 3 and Layer 4 DDoS attacks, that occur frequently on network and transport layers. For higher levels of protection against attacks, you can use AWS Shield Advanced to provide additional detection and mitigation against large and sophisticated DDoS attacks. You need to pay $3,000 per month for Shield Advanced. In the event of a DDoS attack, you will be reimbursed for any additional charges caused by the DDoS attack. Shield Advanced is available globally on all AWS Edge locations. AWS Shield is integrated with Amazon CloudFront, which supports both AWS resources and custom origins outside of AWS. You can protect your web applications hosted anywhere in the world, by deploying CloudFront in front of your application. The supported CloudFront origin can be Amazon S3, EC2, ELB, or custom servers outside of AWS. Web exploits are cyber attacks, where attackers attempt to gain certain control of host sites, by attacking vulnerability or misconfiguration of the websites, result in data leaks, database destruction, distribute malicious code, or sending spams. These attacks usually occur at Layer 7, the application layer. Common web exploits are SQL injection and cross-site scripting. Attackers send malicious SQL queries or client-side JavaScript code to the target, in order to steal data, destroy database, or hijack the website. Attackers usually use automated programs to scan for vulnerabilities of the targeted website. These vulnerabilities can be HTML forms or APIs, allowing to send and execute SQL code, client-side JavaScript code, or server-side commands. Once the vulnerability is found, attackers send the malicious code to the server or database. Many open-source projects often fall victim to these web exploits. You can detect and prevent common web exploits by placing the Web Application Firewall in front of the web servers, to block certain traffic with suspicious request patterns. AWS WAF is a web application firewall, that helps protect web applications and APIs against common web exploits, such as SQL injection and cross-site scripting. WAF enables you to control how traffic reaches your applications, by creating security rules that block common attack patterns. You can allow block or monitor web requests based on different conditions, such as IP or country originate from, HTTP request headers and body, URI strings, request length, and presence of malicious script or SQL code. AWS WAF is integrated with Amazon CloudFront, which supports both AWS resources and custom origins outside of AWS. You can protect your web applications hosted anywhere in the world, by deploying CloudFront in front of your application. The supported CloudFront origin can be Amazon S3, EC2, ELB, or custom servers outside of AWS. In this episode, we've learned AWS Shield and AWS WAF. AWS Shield is a managed DDoS protection service that safeguards applications running on AWS. Shield comes with Shield Standard and Shield Advanced. By default, all AWS customers benefit from Shield Standard. It is free to use. AWS WAF helps protect websites and APIs against common web exploits, such as SQL injection and cross-site scripting. Both AWS Shield and WAF are integrated with CloudFront, and support both AWS and non-AWS resources. Okay, that's all for AWS Shield and AWS WAF. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.
Hope you've enjoyed watching this episode. If you liked the video, please help us and hit the like button. If you want to watch more tutorials, please subscribe to the Cloudemy TV channel. Make sure to turn on the notification and stay tuned. At Cloudemy, we're passionate about cloud and AI technology. Please share your feedback and thoughts in the comments below. Feel free to let us know what topics you'd like to watch. Happy watching and happy learning.